He's sitting like leaning back.
Yeah, sleeping? Sleeping?
Yeah, like sleep mode. He's not gonna want to idle. Cycle the key like 3 times and then start it.
The fuel pump? Now?
Apparently, I didn't record any of the fucking 3 days worth of vlogging because mic wasn't plugged in all the way. So update, RPF ones. These are the rear on 305s. Doing the clutch right now with the CSC delete. I went through the whole explanation of how to do this, but the mic was off. We also put on the ISR exhaust. This is the tip right there. That's the resonator. That's the wide pipe. Oh fuck, man. Super bummed that I didn't record the audio.
And he would have like fucking like rave parties, but they were kind of like swinger orgy parties at the same time. So they were like raves, you know, everyone's fucking, everyone's doing drugs. Like,
so now we're just trying to put the trans on, having a hard time putting it in.
no, we're not. Don't lie to people.
Rob's having a hard time putting it in.
You sure? Nah, I just started, don't lie.
We've been at this for 4 hours.
Right when he says that.
Did it really?
Kinda.
I saw it go.
I don't know if you can tell. Oh yeah, you can. So it's currently 6 in the morning and we can't seem to start it. We keep getting these codes. Hopefully we find it. Why? So we were able to get it to work again. I believe it was the flywheel, or I forgot what it was. It was just a little unaligned, and these things are very sensitive and it wouldn't turn on. Alright guys, it's been 1 day. The car works, by the way, it turns on now. It's at my cousin's house right now. And right now I'm gonna be trying to fix this bottom part that I decided to cut. I didn't cut it. But I'm gonna be painting it black, so right now I'm just kinda masking it. I already did the red light in the middle. I just gotta do like the outer part of this. So let's see how it comes out. All done. I'm gonna just let it sit for like 20 minutes and I'll be back out to remove the mask.
Alright. Testing, 1 2 1 2 3, testing 420 69 69. Testing.
So right now I am stuck in 5th gear. I am at a gas station and I'm fucked. Just changed my clutch. I went from 4th to 5th at 5,000 RPM on the freeway. Pedro over there is gonna help me out. So basically all you gotta do is have somebody push the car while you have the clutch in, and then they push it, and then you like quickly release clutch, and then you pull this down.
Nothing?
No. What if I give you a pushing start? You get what I'm saying?
What do you mean?
Like, I'll let off clutch so that it gets gas and then just push.
And going forward?
Yeah, watch like this.
But you can turn it off? You're gonna have to.
Like that. Got it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. You get that on video?
Yeah. I got it to work.
Yeah, I was about to almost missed the shot.
So, I guess it just needs more of a push. Hey, bro.
That's alright.
Fuck it.
Yeah.
When you're boosted and shit, you can call me when your shit breaks.
Yeah, it's alright.
The next day.
So these are the coils and the camber kit and the traction arms for our inner air. You're at RTA, you already know what it is. Car's up. I haven't even shown you guys the front bumper yet. Got the Nismo front bumper. Still gotta fix these cracks though. See how it comes out. This is the fitment right now. So we'll see how it comes out. Okay, so we were just doing some adjustments. Installed the camber arm. Almost done rear.
It was like spot on.
Oh yeah, camber.
Everything was spot on.
Well, this is current fitment. It's not what the finished product is gonna be, but for now, it's pretty fucking low. Looks nice.
You need to pull those rears. Pull the rears, then I can fix that camber.
So I just got my Nismo headlights. These look so good. Sorry, I gotta talk kind of fast because my battery's about to die. These are my old ones. Freaking super ugly. Look at that. Boom. Yeah, boy. Bitch to get over that shit. Fucking packed out. Fuck yeah. Made it to the meet. Pretty lit. I haven't been to a big meeting in a long time. Looks clean. Damn, with the tan seats. Big ass turnout. Sick. Damn. Leonardo just looks so good.